Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set or change your profile picture on WhatsApp, so let's get started. First, we're going to start off by clicking on the settings icon in our bottom right corner. That's going to take us to our settings. While we're here, we're going to click on the first section that's under settings that says urgent calls only. Now the first option we have is add photos, so we're going to click on there. You can see you have two choices. You can take a photo in real time, or you can choose a photo from your camera roll. So we're going to go ahead and choose a photo. For example, we're going to select what photo you want to add. For example, we're going to add this one. So you can zoom in, zoom out with your fingers, center it as you like. And when you're done, you're just going to click on choose. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!